all the way. What fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss a video. And to my subbies, you know how I feel about you. Thank you guys so much for your continuous support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get this fire Christmas holiday glittery cut crease makeup look. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. We're just going to jump right into it. So first what I'm going to do is take my LA Pro concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to use this to carve out my brows, and I'm also going to use this as my eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid, spreading it out and just caking it on. I like to put a lot because it just helps my eyeshadows to be a lot more pigmented. Then I'm going to take my MAC 212 brush, I believe this is a nice synthetic small like concealer brush, and I'm going to carve out my brows as well as kind of even out that concealer to make sure that there are no like lines or creases and all that stuff before I put my eyeshadow on. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and I'm going to use this orange shade in the top left corner, I believe. And I'm going to use a fluffy Morphe brush to pack that right below my brow bone. Not so much in my crease, but a little bit above my crease and a little bit below my brow bone. And I'm just going to place that color there, kind of going in back and forth motions and just building the color up. Blending takes a long time. It takes a long time, but it's worth it. I'm going in with this Makeup Geek pigment, and I'm taking a pinched fluffy eyeshadow brush. I believe this is the MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to pack that inside the crease, and I just move my brush down one notch and just kind of go back and forth in the crease with this brush in this color. Just packing that color on. These pigments are really pigmented. As you can see, this red is popping. And now I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush. This is a round fluffy brush, and just kind of making sure that there are no harsh lines. Just going back and forth with that brush until I feel like everything's blended. Now I'm going to go into this black shade from Melt Cosmetics, and then I'm also going to use the brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette and mix them together. And I'm going to use a pinched blending brush, one of the fluffy brushes we used earlier, and I'm going to pack that color a little bit further down onto the eyelid. This is more closer to the lid area, just getting ready for my cut crease to make sure that this color will actually show throughout the cut crease, and just blending everything up my eye. Now I'm taking some of my LA Pro concealer in the color Cool Tan, and just carving out my lid, and I'm just making sure that my crease kind of hits the top of my eye. I'm just kind of lifting my eye up and just carving my crease out as I normally would. It's really hard to describe how to do this. You really just have to practice at doing it, but I'm just carving my lid. I did mess up, so I'm taking a Q-tip and some eye makeup remover and removing some of the concealer and something else that I put on my lid that didn't make sense. Now I'm going in with my Lit Cosmetics glitter, and I'm using the formula that they suggest you use. I'm mixing it together with the liquid and packing that all over my lid. If you want some really nice glitters, these glitters are really nice and metallic and reflective and beautiful. I've been using these for years, and I just packed that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with my NYC Liquid Liner. Today was a struggle liner day, okay? I feel like I say that all the time, but seriously, it was. Doing liner with glitter is very difficult because getting that line straight is hard because the glitter kind of pokes out and messes up your liner. It's a whole hassle, but I do have a detailed like wing liner tutorial. I'll put it right above my head right here. I use gel liner in that tutorial, but it's still legit. Then I'm gonna put my lashes on that I ended up switching out later because I did not like these. So yeah, I'm just showing you how to put them on. Next, now we're gonna go back into the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and I'm taking the MAC 217 brush and using that orange color to pack that all along my lash line. Then I'm taking a Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I'm going to use the red pigment from Makeup Geek and put that closer to my waterline. And I did fill my waterline in with some Rimmel black eyeliner, by the way. Now I'm going in with my highlighter that I'm going to be using, the Huda Beauty highlighter, and I'm putting that in the inner corners of my eye with that same Makeup Geek pencil brush just to kind of make my eyes pop. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced mascara, and I'm going to put that on the bottom lashes. I just love doing my bottom lashes. I feel like it makes your eyes pop so much, and your eyeshadow, just like your whole eye look, comes together. Now we're moving on the lips. I'm using this MAC red lip liner, and I'm putting that all around the edges of my lips, just shaping them how I want them to look and all that good stuff, you know. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Uncensored lipstick. This is definitely one of my favorite lipsticks of all time, and I'm just putting that all inside the center of my lips and just kind of putting that on. And really, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.
What fun it is to ride a horse open sleigh, crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.